You can relive the experience of Neil Armstrong's.
We just came in just to see this.
Okay.
Make room for the guests behind. Please note that this.
When I was a kid, I used to dream about flying through space, and I wanted to be like them. It took. This is back then, we were one of the delicate balance. It seemed to be. Space program kicked into high gear, circling the world in just 8. But our manned space program 6.5 miles into space.
And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Like 35 years ago, we choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing.
The moon. Many people thought astronauts practiced maneuvering that would be powerful enough. There was a fire in the capsule. We're lost. Ever be at risk because the next mission, the crew of Apollo 8